And so you'll notice there's a lot of specifics here in this promotion. This all came about from some simple research that I did. 84 buildings, 10.4 million square feet of office space, $1.3 billion of value, 31 different states, right? All these different governmental agencies providing credibility, providing proof, spelling it out, and then covering an objection. The beautiful part, you do nothing. Change no toilets, speak with no tenants, make no repairs, and upgrade no properties. And still, every 90 days, like clockwork, you collect your dependable rental payments from the good old U.S. government, right? So this is a benefit. And then, of course, I'm addressing the objection, right? Sound like a stretch? I thought so too, until I stumbled across the one little investment I'm going to tell you about in the rest of this little letter, an open loop. An investment so profitable right now that it pays almost 2 times the yield of companies like Procter & Gamble, Microsoft, and JP Morgan Chase, almost 3 times the yield of Walmart and Johnson & Johnson, almost 5 times the yield of Apple, and almost 7 times the yield of Disney, all from the research that I did. Frankly, the staggering yields you'll earn right from day one, so this is kind of an implied promise, you'll earn staggering yields day one, are just the beginning of what makes this unique investment such a gem of a find. I'll tell you how in just a second. Average investors like you are poised to experience gigantic gains from this play in early 2015. This is also an open loop. In just a second, I'm going to tell you about this. First, let me tell you what this investment is and how it works to make you more and more money like clockwork. I promise. Did you know? And now I'm going to build the case and give evidence for this.